Another great way to use Google Sheets is for goal setting and tracking. It helps kids when they track their goals and they track their progress to have something to work towards and kind of have a frame of reference. And so I'm going to show you a couple of things we were shown. If you go to this slide here under goal setting and tracking files and click on the file folder, you can go to the drive and click on goal setting and tracking, and you'll notice a couple of different templates that are there. And you can make your own or you can use these. But I'll give you an example. Here is one called Academic Goal Tracker, and this is kind of cool. So you notice that you would put their name. You would make the students make a copy of this, and here they just fill out what their grade is in math and what their grade was for STAR, or you fill it out, and then you track their different progress throughout the year, and that way they can see what their goals is and what they're working towards and things like that. So that's just another use for Google Sheets.